Hello, this is Ahura from Otis Markets. We'll be with you with a short review on Bank of England policy meeting decisions and market reactions. First, let's review the decisions, what the central bank decided, and then we can check the market reaction. As it was what we expected, BOE hold the rates at 5.25%. Among 9 members of the MPC Monetary Policy Committee of Bank of England, 7 of them they voted for not changing the rates, and only 2 members they voted to cut the rates by 0.25%. After yesterday's inflation numbers that we had and showed that the CPI, the headline inflation, fell to 2% for the first time for more than 2.5 years, in the last 2.5 years, some investors and the market participants they decided they had some doubts. Maybe these 2 members become 3 members or 4 members to vote for cutting the rate. Not the 4 members, maybe 2 members to vote for cutting the rate. Why? Because as I told, the inflation fell to the central bank target. However, on the other hand, core CPI fell only to 3.5%, which is far away from central bank target. At the same time, 2 weeks ago, when we had the labor market data, it showed that the wages growth is still strong and the labor market is still strong, and that can help the other underlying issues about the inflation and can again cause the inflation to regain and re-increase, which is the main concern for now for policymakers in the central bank. That's why still they decided to hold these rates for a bit longer, probably until the August meeting. And in the August, they can cut the rates, as Mr. Bailey also signaled in its press conferences and also in its other speeches during the weekend last week. Now let's check the chart and see what was market reaction to this chart. This is UK 100 chart. As we see, the UK 100, as several times since 2024, I mentioned that the UK 100 is in a clear uptrend and it can continue. While also the UK 100 FTSE 100 can be one of the best investment for 2024, still there is a time to buy. I think it can go further, but if we don't have this geopolitical tensions which is going on in the Middle East, if there is something happening in the Middle East, yeah, then probably situation can change. However, in a normal condition, that can be one of the best investments. Still, UK 100 it's in a clear uptrend, as these decisions they were kind of dovish, and the banking and the central bank and the bankers they signaled for further rate cuts and probably next meetings. That helped the stock markets to go further. At the same time, we know that earlier today, Asian stock market they increased to their 2 years high. At the same time, last night in Wall Street, we had SP 500 and other stocks, including Dow Jones indices, including Dow Jones, they had a near record high. So totally altogether means that still in the stock market, we can continue this uptrend. We can be still positive, optimistic, and that's the expected reactions. On the currency front, GBP pound lost the weight against US dollar. As I told, this decision was kind of dovish and market signaled about the further rate cut. But at the same time, we should not forget that the central bank the worries about the inflation rate and central banks worries about the wages growth. They create some doubts here that what can be. Some doubts create some doubts about the July and August meeting, but still can kind of solve this possible dovish decisions reactions, which means that the current correction that GBP had against US dollar, I say correction because in a bigger picture, it's in a clear uptrend. If you go to the clear GBP USD in a day chart, In a day chart, we are in a clear uptrend. Still, clear uptrend because as long as we are above 1.25, GPUs is uptrend. Yeah, the trend line is break, but still, it's above the support line, and we cannot say that still there is a trend change. So the clear uptrend can still continue, especially as long as it's above 1.25, and so that can be, I call that, that's why I call it correction, and probably after an hours or next days we can see that the GBP can regain its holds against US dollar and other currencies. So why? As I told, because at the same time, while they had a dovish decision, central bank also repeated about their worries about inflation, especially with the wages growth and underlying reasons for inflation worries. So these concerns can make some doubt on the market reaction and investors' decision. That was this POE decision and market reactions. If you had any other question, please don't forget to write down under this video in Instagram or YouTube. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Talk to you. Bye.